Did you know people have been using fireworks to celebrate for hundreds and hundreds of years? I'm Nathan with Kids Enjoying Jesus, and I want to show you a Bible game where you get to play with fireworks inside the house. For more ideas to help you share the love and joy of Jesus with kids in fun ways, visit kidsenjoyingjesus.com. This indoor fireworks Bible game is totally safe because you're not using real fireworks. You should never set off real fireworks inside a building. Totally not safe, totally not okay. But if you make your own pretend fireworks out of paper, it can be totally safe and totally fun and a totally cool way to review Bible lessons and memory verses with kids. The easiest way to make this indoor fireworks Bible game is to go to kidsenjoyingjesus.com, where you can download these free questions, printables, and instructions to help you lead this indoor fireworks Bible game. But you can also very easily make this game for yourself. All you need is some colored paper, a pen, some scissors, and some Bible questions to ask the kids. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take some brightly colored paper and cut it into a bunch of small pieces. You only want about a dozen small pieces or so, otherwise you're going to have a whole lot of different pieces to count later on. So get about a dozen small pieces of paper and write a different point value on the back of each piece. So you can write 100 on one small piece of paper, 200 on another, 300 on another, 400 on one, 500 on another, and so on until you have about a dozen small pieces of paper with points written on the back of each one. These are your imaginary pretend fireworks. After you have the indoor fireworks ready, you also need to come up with some Bible questions to ask the kids. You can ask gospel-related questions like, who is God? What is sin? Why does sin separate us from God? Who is Jesus? What did Jesus do to set us free from sin? You can also use this as a review game to review any Bible lesson, memory verse, or missionary story that you've taught lately. Just prepare questions and ask those questions for the kids. You can also use this game, since it has fireworks in it, on Independence Day or New Year's Eve, a time when people usually set off fireworks. A way that you can do this on the 4th of July, Independence Day, is to ask the kids something that they're thankful for their country. And if they can name something they're thankful for, they get to play the game. Or you can have them name a way that they could pray for their country in order to play the game. On New Year's Eve, you could have the children name something that they're thankful for that they got to experience, or something they're thankful for that happened during the past year in order for them to play the game. Once you have your Bible questions and your indoor fireworks ready, you're ready to play. Ask a question, and once the child correctly answers that question or says the reason they can pray for their country, they get to take all those little pieces of firework in their hands and throw them in the air as everyone shouts boom or makes a fireworks noise. Then watch as all the pieces of firework flutter gently back to the ground, and you can even say ooh and ah as they fall back to the ground. Once they're back on the floor, check and see which points are facing up. Some of them will land face down, some will land face up, but you're going to add together all the different points that are facing up and add that to that child's team's score. And then pick up the fireworks, ask another question, and play again. The next kid answers the question correctly, they throw up the fireworks and watch them flutter to the floor. Ooh. And then once again, you tally up the final points on all the pieces of firework that are facing up. Keep doing this over and over again until you've answered all of the questions and the kids have all had a turn, and then add up the points from each team to see who won your indoor fireworks Bible game. That's all there is to it. I hope you'll have a blast playing this indoor fireworks Bible game with kids. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. And you can check out kidsenjoyingjesus.com, where you'll find more fun ideas to help you share the love and joy of Jesus with kids. Thanks for watching.